Welcome, in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 and today I will show you how you can add another account to Google Play Store. So you have to open the Play Store, next you have to tap on the right upper corner, then tap on this arrow and click to add another account. After that choose the Google account. We have to use our pattern or fingerprint sensor, whatever you want, to recognize that we are using this phone. And right now you have to simply input your email that you want to add. Click next, and right now we have to input your password, so that's what I'm going to do right now. And right now when you input your password you have to click next in the right bottom corner, accept this stuff. Right now we can simply go back. And after a few moments, when we tap on the right upper corner and tap on the arrow, you can see that we are already logged in with two accounts, so we can easily switch between them. And as you can see, it was very simple. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.